Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am a full-time product packaging designer in Bangladesh. I also love to draw botanical illustration. Today I will show you how to draw a simple way Hawaiian ʻＡhua Lehua flower illustration in Adobe Illustrator. Let's begin.
After completing the pencil sketch, first take a photo of your sketch and import it into Adobe Illustrator. Next, reduce the opacity of the sketch layer to 50%. Create a new layer and create an artistic brush in Adobe Illustrator. Step 2. Draw the line art. If you are a beginner, you can use the pen tool in Adobe Illustrator. After using the pen tool, select the path and apply the artistic brush. Then reduce stroke size. If you are comfortable using the brush tool, you can draw the line art directly with it. Step 3. Add color. Select all line and pick all the color. That's it.